Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rudy and I teach people how to trade on binary options correctly. Also, I will share the easiest and most profitable strategies with you. If you're a beginner in trading and not really confident in your abilities, then join my closed Telegram groups where I provide free signals with a accuracy of 90%, guys. Social trading is also available. So if you're a busy person and don't have much time, you can still open profitable deals without having constantly monitoring your laptop or phone. You can just simply copy my trades. I believe this option is perfect for some of you. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Watch this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and you will take part of $300 draw, and 3 lucky subscribers will get $100 each from me. Yeah, I guess let's get started, guys.
Hey guys, let's get down to our trading. So today we will increase our deposit from $100 by opening deals on 1 minute time frame. And we have an OTC market today, which means a good percentage of payments prevails on each of the currency pairs. I have already selected and analyzed all currency pairs, guys, and today we have a trend strategy for analysis. So trading on the OTC market, it is better to open according to the trend. So today we'll analyze the alligator, fractal, and stochastic oscillator. We'll open mainly on the trend movement, and we'll focus on the moving average of our alligator, and we will open against the trend focusing on stochastic. So I will explain in more detail in each of the trade entries, and you will understand how to work on this strategy. So let's get down to our trading. So let's open a long position here against the trend. So we are guided here by our stochastic. Despite the fact that the trend has a downward character, we had a price pullback earlier. A local maximum was formed. Then the price went down. And I think that now we should have a pullback, and we should observe the breakout from the oversold area on our oscillator. Well, let's see. We have about 20 seconds left. And our first trade closes in plus, guys. Let's change the trade amount and we'll set the maximum. We got a pullback. The signal was absolutely correct. So yeah, let's continue and pick the next currency pair. Let's open a long position here at the actual dynamics of the trend. I think the pullback will have to end as a green candle has appeared, and the movement will have to restore its upward dynamics. So let's select the workspace. I think this pullback is already over, and the dynamics of our movement should go up along the actual trend. So next, we see the touching of the oversold area, and I also think that there will be a rebound and the dynamics of our movement will go up. So 10 seconds left. Let's wait for the outcome. And the next deal closes in plus, guys. Let's change the trade amount. So here we have already opened according to the trend. after the price pullback, which is the main principle of working on today's indicators and in combination with this strategy. So let's move on and select the next currency pair. Well, here we will also open a long position in the direction of the trend. We opened the deal after the dynamics pullback, so the trend here is upward. Good pullback, formation of a new local minimum. Then the dynamics turned around, hit it back up to the trend. We also see the behavior of the moving average of our alligator. So they turn around and go up. And we also see the breakout from the oversold area on our oscillator. So that's why in our case we're opening a long position. Let's see, guys. Let's wait for the outcome. And our next position closed in plus. A good time and the level of the opening, despite the fact that the trend candle, the red candle is forming now. So still we close the trade in plus, guys. Let's move on and select the next currency pair. Well, let's open a deal against the trend here for the formation of a new local maximum. We found a good entry point. Select the workspace. We can draw a trend line and notice the perfect touch point with upward dynamics. I think that after the formation of a new price maximum, the dynamics of the movement should go down. And we also need to fix the crossing of the overbought area from top to bottom. So that's why we're opening a deal for a long here. Let's see, guys. And our next deal closes in plus. So let's change the trade amount and put $640 and open 2 trades for $1,280. Yeah, so let's move on. Well, here let's open 2 trades against the actual trend. Now we can see that the trend has a downward character since the alligator's moving average have crossed. But I think that from this point the dynamics of movement should go up. The candle has now closed. Stochastic is in the oversold area. So after this pullback of dynamics, I think we should have an upward trend. And our moving average will soon turn around and show us an upward direction. In general, I think that the deal is open absolutely correct. And yeah, let's see, guys. Yeah, that's what's up. The next deal closed and plus. Let's change the trade amount, so $1,000, and we'll open 2 deals for $2,000. Let's get started and select the next currency pair. Well, here I want to open 2 long positions against the trend. We have caught an impulse candle now in this section of the movement. Here we have a point of contact of the resistance area that have broken through. So we must have a pullback of the dynamics. And also here the moving oscillator crosses the overbought area. So here I think there should be like 100% pullback of dynamics. So we opening against the trend. We have a good opening level, and these trades will be in plus, guys. I'm more than sure. Yeah, as I said, due to the fact that we had a very good opening level and the crossing of the overbought area, the price stood still as it does now, shows a slight pullback of the dynamics down. So we have easily closed our trades in plus, guys. So to consolidate the result, let's open 4 trades for $4,000. So let's do it. Well, here let's open 4 long positions. I didn't see the nearest touch point of the support area. We had a very strong downward dynamics here. Stochastic is in the oversold area, and it's been there for a long time, which means that the market is already oversaturated, and a very strong decline is already going on, which does not have a positive effect on the overall dynamic of the movement, guys. So therefore, here in this point there should be a pullback as it was before. It's clear that the dynamics of the movement here has a strongly downward side, but even such a strong dynamic cannot exist without price pullbacks. So that's why we open here a long positions. As you can see, we have the last seconds left, and our deals are closed in plus. As I said, a small pullback should be present. We still have stochastic in the oversold area, so therefore we expect most likely a very strong downward pressure here. Yeah, we have already recorded a good profit for today, so let's move on to withdrawal. Choose a wallet and choose the amount. Let it be 7,700. Continue. And our operation is successfully completed. Yeah, so that's how the trade turned out today, guys. Of course, we opened most of the deals against the trend, so thanks to Alligator today we understood the nature of the trend, and we were able to open deals on the trends. It was not that hard, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave your comments down below, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group. And as always, good luck in trading. Bye bye. See you soon.